to make a passive money on YouTube. There are several ways to create passive income in YouTube. These are the following. You can make your own blog. You can create and sell a course. And you can be an affiliate marketing. How to get started? So step 1, start a YouTube channel. You can sign in to YouTube on a computer or the mobile site. Then click your profile picture. There is an option to create a channel. You'll be asked to create a channel and then check the details with your Google account name and photo and confirm to create your channel. Step 2. Create a YouTube videos. The next step to any YouTube channel is to log into YouTube Studio and create content that the YouTube users and audience will love. It is best to focus on a particular niche and dive into the content that they will enjoy. For instance, some would like to discuss all things related to online business. So naturally, this attracts YouTube Premium subscribers and pretty much anyone interested in working from home and loves the idea of building something of their own. This is the tricky part about the YouTube channel, even for the highest paid YouTubers, because when you start, it is unlikely that anyone is going to see your videos. Step 3. Meet the YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirements. So there is a minimum eligibility requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program. So these are the following. Your channel needs to have at least 4,000 watch hours of video in the past 12 months before you can apply to monetize your videos. You also need to have 1,000 subscribers to your channel, and at least you are 18 years old of age before you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. Though there is no specific time frame in which you meet the requirements, however, once you successfully achieve them, you'll be able to monetize or enable the monetization features and begin earning. Step 4. You have to set up an AdSense account to get paid on YouTube. So once you met the eligibility requirements, you can then apply for the AdSense account. This link AdSense account will ultimately be how you can make your money in YouTube from ads. So take your time answering everything correctly when you sign up for the AdSense account. Step 5. Continue making content and don't violate YouTube guidelines. So once your channel grows and you're making money, the sky becomes the limit for your channel. That said, you must not violate any YouTube community guidelines related to spam, deception, sensitive content, banner ads, violent content, misinformation, or regulated goods while creating your videos. Creating a blog in YouTube is great for building your brand to create fans. It drives a lot of conversions and increases your business revenue. Not only that, but as the second largest search engine, YouTube offers immense opportunities to get your brand in front of your ideal audience and grow your audience in other areas as well. But what is most important to understand is that blog will almost and always out-earn our successful YouTube channel because it is a platform that allows you to connect with your audience on a deeper and more personal level, such as through email and so on. Blogs shows display ads and usually have a higher click-through rates on affiliate links. Another way of making money passively in YouTube is to create and sell a course. Yet another terrific way to earn money on YouTube is to create and sell a digital course. If you have the knowledge to share and can offer great value to your followers for their watch time, they will gladly buy your course to learn more about how you can help them improve their lives. You can teach on various topics, including fitness, health, personal development, digital marketing, and professional or curriculum courses. By adding courses to video descriptions with a solid call to action to help drive viewers into action so they purchase your courses. Affiliate marketing. This is a marketing and excellent idea if you have an affinity with followers. Large marketing agencies don't depend entirely on their channels of content distribution. Often, they find it more profitable to pay YouTube channels that already have a solid fan base to promote their products. Interested brands watch out for how many subscribers and video creator has before partnering with them. In addition, they expect content creators to be a YouTube marketing expert by selling their products or services in a language that their community understands. So yes, sponsorship programs are determined primarily by how many YouTube views and watch time channel gets. That is why affiliate marketing is a great way to boost your earning potential on this platform if you have already built a large following. However, even with a smaller number of followers and high-quality YouTube videos, you can still make a good living on this platform, provided you use an effective marketing strategy like other YouTubers.
Good day everyone! Today I'm gonna motivate you guys how to create passive income as a leader. As a leader, it's very important to inspire you guys to invest, especially if it will help you to have more money in the future. How to generate passive income through cryptocurrency on Binance platform? Well, it's very easy. You just have to read, click, invest. When on your Binance platform, you will see auto invest. Click it and you will see a lot of options like staking, launchpad, liquid farming, strategy trading. The first one will be staking. Click staking. When you're in staking, you can lock a coin for a number of days with a certain percentage. For example, you lock 10 Bitcoin and you will earn 10% of it for 30 days. After 30 days, you will have 11 Bitcoin and you will learn that it gave you 1% of the 10 Bitcoin in dollars. The next one will be Launchpad. You can earn new tokens in here. The next one will be liquid farming. In here, you can earn rewards. The last one will be strategy trading. You can click on it and let them do the trading for you. For the conclusion of it, basically, it will be the one to help you do the auto investment. It will be up to you to choose which strategy you're gonna use. It can be one or more.
What is network marketing? Network marketing is a business model that depends on person-to-person sales by independent representatives, often working from home. A network marketing business may require you to build a network of business partners and salespeople to assist you to lead generation and closing sales. How network marketing works? Network marketing is known as a variety of names, including multi-level marketing, cellular marketing, affiliate marketing, consumer direct marketing, referral marketing, or home-based business franchise. Companies that follow a network marketing model often create tiers of people, salespeople. That is, salespeople are encouraged to recruit their own networks of salespeople. The creators of a new tier or upline earn commission on their sales and on sales made by the people in their tier they created, the downline. In time, a new tier can sprout yet another tier, which contributes more commission to the person in the top tier as well as the middle tier. What is the top grossing network marketing program? Amway consistently tops the lists. The top selling brands from Amway are Nutrilite Vitamin, Mineral, and Dietary Supplements. In conclusion, never doubt that you have what it takes to lead a profitable network marketing empire. You became a leader the day you signed your independent contractor agreement. Don't wait until you have a team before you start thinking of yourself as a leader and acting as a leader. The sooner your attitudes and actions aligns with the attitudes and actions of a leader, the sooner the community will grow. Leading a community is a big responsibility, but don't let that overwhelm you. Let it inspire you to the best leader you can be. No one is more worthy or more deserving of success than you. Your success will not come at the cost of someone else's success. You don't have to play politics, deal with bullying bosses, or go head to head with